Designing Teams, The Leadership Team of Makeroom Sim Inc. by Marilyn Espana. Shared Vision. First and foremost, we like to begin with the category of shared vision. In total, there are 5 categories. The first one is about building team success. In building team success, we focus on sharing each other's visions of team progress by implementing changes needed for advancement, as well as working every day towards company innovation by sharing insight weekly in meetings to accomplish these tasks and goals for the monthly reviews. This also keeps each other accountable, but also we have to remember to help one another at all times. The next one is task orientation. In task orientation, we're focusing on leading an organized workflow. Here, we focus on the organization where everyone gets on the same work agenda. This gets assignments done efficiently and on time. It maintains a stress-free work environment and also keeps role clarity within the team. Next, we have open communication. Here, we are focusing on strong work ethics by creating fellowship and comfort within the team. This allows for discussion and also innovation, helping the team grow stronger over time. This creates a solid foundation in the company, providing opportunity for growth and also avoiding conflict and misunderstanding within the group. Following up, we have support for innovation, building new ideas together. This creates opportunity for company growth altogether, building team discipline, and also maintaining motivation throughout. Support for innovation builds a strong company that meets the needs of clients and also the staff. Next, we have interaction frequency. Interaction frequency is where we are creating comfort, allowing for team expansion, creating unity, keeping the team ambitious. It also helps in maintaining our overall mental health, providing open doors for the team at all times. Also, we can't forget that the most dangerous thing is threats to collaboration. Here, we have a loss in team flexibility, dealing with communication barriers, drifting from core agendas, possible damage to branding and marketing, lack of group collaboration and team advancement, having the mentality that working alone gets the job done best. These are all threats to collaboration within the company. Success comes with teamwork. Thank you.